What is AIT, Advanced Individual Training? Imagine finishing basic training and feeling ready to take on a new challenge. That's where Advanced Individual Training comes in. It's the next step after basic training in the Army. While basic training teaches you how to be a soldier, AIT helps you become an expert in your specific job within the Army. During basic training, you learn the core skills like physical fitness, discipline, and basic combat techniques. Once you complete that, you move on to AIT, which focuses on your Military Occupational Specialty, or MOS. Your MOS is your job in the Army, like a medic, engineer, or intelligence analyst. In AIT, you get specialized instruction that combines classroom lessons, hands-on practice, and field exercises. For example, if you're training to be a combat medic, you'll learn how to treat injuries, read medical charts, and handle emergency situations. If you're in logistics, you'll learn how to manage supplies and transportation. The training is tailored to your specific role. The length of AIT varies depending on the MOS. Some courses last just a few weeks, while others can take up to a year. For example, a basic infantry AIT might be around 10 weeks, but training to become a military intelligence analyst could take longer. Costs are covered by the Army, and soldiers usually receive a paycheck during this time. Living arrangements during AIT are a step up from basic training. Soldiers often stay in dorms with 2 people per room and shared bathrooms. You'll have more personal space and some freedom, but there are still rules to follow. You might have limited access to personal electronics, but you'll learn to manage your time and responsibilities. AIT helps soldiers become confident in their skills and ready to perform their duties in real-world situations. It builds on the discipline and teamwork learned during basic training but adds the technical knowledge needed for your specific job. Once you finish AIT, you're fully qualified in your MOS and prepared to join your assigned unit. This phase is essential because it turns new recruits into specialists who can contribute directly to the Army's mission. It's where you go from being a general soldier to an expert in your chosen field. So, in simple terms, AIT is the training that makes you a skilled professional in the Army, ready to serve in your role with confidence.